Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the messy hair, but I just wanted to do a quick thing. Oh my gosh, she's gonna eat this. I got a package in the mail, and this company is by Pop Voice, and they asked me to review this. So I am going to attempt to unbox this. Sorry for, like I said, sorry for the bad quality. I'm gonna fill this on my phone so I can upload automatically. So I'm going to unbox this, and I'm going to open it right now. So I'm gonna do unboxing, and then I'm going to do my review on this afterwards. I would have a scissors, but I can't do it right now. Oh, there you go. Alright. So, this is it. This is what I got. This is a lavalier mic, PV10 Plus. It's for computers, smartphones, and cameras. So it's with 4 pins, 3 adapters, including mic, work for PC, laptop, or desktop recorder. And yeah, so they asked me to review this, and they actually send this to me for free. They actually paid for it, and all I had to do was purchase it to my PayPal account, and this is it. So I'm going to review this, and I'm going to test it out, and then I will tell you my opinions about it and about it. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Mahalo no aloha oi. Let her have that. And aloha oi, mahalo noa, and I'll catch you guys on the next wave. Shoots.